What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, you guys. So today, I'm so close to pulling this motor out. You guys, I've been working a lot. I've been working pretty hard. So right now, I got the transmission. Everything is pretty much disconnected from the engine. So pretty much the engine is ready to be pulled out of the car. I'm gonna show you guys right now. So everything is pretty much disconnected, like nothing is hooked up. Only thing that's hooked up right now is the engine mounts, which there's one bolt on each side. So once I get the engine hoist, put some tension on here, then disconnect it. Yeah, so right now, I'm about to go ahead and pull this thing out. And then, so in the meantime, while I'm waiting on that, I'm thinking about just going ahead and just wrapping this car, just killing two birds with one stone. So right now, I might just wrap, I don't know yet. You guys comment down below. I'm gonna leave this part for right now. But you guys comment down below if I should wrap this in forge carbon or if I should wrap this in candy purple. But right now, I'm probably just gonna do one door panel just to see how the outlook comes. And gonna wrap it on the bumper and all that good stuff. Like right now, the bumper is not in really good shape right now, so I'm probably gonna have to get this probably repainted before I even wrap that. So that has to be replaced. This whole grill is gonna be replaced. The headlights are gonna be replaced, and this fender right here that's bent is gonna be replaced. Thinking so right now.
What I'm thinking, bro, this thing's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be a monster, and I really just can't wait to get it off. You know what I'm saying? Just to get it up in there, see what it looks like, and get this thing on the road again. You feel me?
Yeah, man. I'm about to go ahead and rebuild this whole engine. It's ready to come out, Zo.
Jeez. You heard. I'm about to get it in, man, for sure.
So wait, what we're about to go look at right now? About to go see something about a motor for his Mustang. So
Engine bill's coming, man. I'm about to go look at this 5.0 engine real quick down here at the junkyard. Hopefully it's in good. Hopefully it is in good enough condition where I can just be like, you know what? I want it. Let's take it home. Let's get this thing rebuilt and throw it into the Stang.
Okay, well, we're about to go ahead down there right now. So y'all stay tuned for this. This engine will be coming out, and I'm really ready to actually pull it out, but I got to get an engine hoist, which I need a truck, because obviously I don't have a truck right now. So I'm just trying to kill two birds with one stone right now. So when we come back, I'm just gonna wrap one door panel just to see how it looks. But that rear bumper gonna have to get painted.
Yeah, it's gonna be painted.
Yeah, because it's messed up. So I don't know.
Was it sunwear?
Yeah, like if you look, like right here.
Yeah, right here. Yeah, that's got to get sand down and reprimed and all that good stuff.
Yeah, you see, like this is not so bad. I mean, yeah, it has this, but I'm gonna have to get some of this fixed.
Yeah.
So, what's up, man? So me and my boy just came out here, and they closed. Bruh.
That part.
But they got a lot of motors, though. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know. He looking for that 5.0. You guys see, they got a lot of motors. It's a lot of motors. It's a lot of motors, though.
Yeah. I said, oh dang, I read that wrong.
Love it.
8 to 6. I thought that was 8 to 8. Man, I thought That's on me. That was on me. I'm thinking 8 to 8, so I'm like, we don't care. We here.
Man, they closed at 6 o'clock.
20 minutes behind. What? There's a lot of it. There's a lot.
I'll go ahead and say it again.
Loving you is easy cause you're beautiful. You know what I'm saying?
It's okay. You gotta sing it to us, though.
Gotta sing it to it. Gotta sing it to it. Do, 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 do.
So you funny as hell. Surprisingly, this nigga don't be posting like that, and he funny.
Man, I need to.
Waste of energy.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and get this thing popping. You heard?
You heard. All right, you guys, so it's the next day. We came back when they finally opened.
Round 2.
You know what I'm saying? So just make sure you check the time to see what time
No, my Miss Way.
We're gonna go ahead and check out this motor real quick. All this stuff, man. Got motors on top of motors. Look, here go a Mercedes right here. Bro, them. Hold on. What model is this? Hold on. I'm about to see how much they want for that Benz. Hold on. Well, you guys, so pretty much my phone has shut off because, like I said, you guys, it's like 100 and something degrees outside. So my phone went into high temp mode. So I really couldn't get that much footage. Get this Mercedes prepped to get it wrapped. I'm about to start fixing some things as long as I'm doing the motor. You guys can see, I went ahead and wrapped this vehicle. And I'm also building my 6.4 motor right there to go into this Dodge Charger. I already got the transmission down there for it. But about to get ready to get this Mercedes wrapped, change the look of it. You guys can see right now, I did one of the panels. To me, it looks good, besides that little dimple right there. So I went ahead and just wrapped this just to see how it looked. You guys comment down below. How do you think this vehicle would look fully wrapped in candy purple with some forged accents on there? Before I wrap this panel right here, I gotta go ahead and wash this, detail this. I'm not gonna wrap it tonight, probably tomorrow, but I gotta clean all this out. So pretty much that's what I got the water hose for. About to go ahead and detail it real good, clean all this out. This vehicle been sitting for some years, so I'm pretty much just restoring it. But this is how it looks right now. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and wrapped this piece right here, as you guys can see. So the paint underneath the car is not that great, but it makes the car look a whole lot different. So the only thing I gotta do is just pretty much trim off the wrap and then tuck it and all that stuff right there. I'm about to go ahead and wrap this door. But yeah, this is how it looks right now. So if you guys saw earlier in the video, this was dirty, but went ahead and cleaned that. I'm gonna go ahead and probably clean up in there even some more. But let's go ahead and trim this down and see how it looks. All right, you guys, so pretty much I got the driver fender wrapped, and I got the panel right here all wrapped. So this is how it looks. Now, the paint job on this car is not perfect. So obviously the wrap looks good, but you know, you'll still see slight flaws, but unless you're just like really just looking for it. Oh, you guys can see, you know what I'm saying, got the work shirt on, ready for your bands to be done.
Yeah, I am. And my
You gonna ride dirty?
Yeah. Hopefully I don't get pulled over.
Hope you don't get pulled over?
Nope.
Nope? Yup. But I'm about to turn this camera around so you guys can see what it looks like so far. So tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Y'all ready?
It's too hot for us.
Bam! You know what I'm saying? Just like that. You feel me? Look at that color. Look at that color, boy. That lay down is good. You feel me? Look at that color. Now don't mind this door. I'm about to wrap this door. No, don't get on me. Matter of fact, I'm gonna leave it like this. How what y'all think? I think I should leave it like this. But yo, this color is looking stupid. I'm gonna sell these rims. If you guys did watch my short, I am gonna sell these rims and then I'm gonna upgrade them. So you guys DM me on Instagram if you guys want these AMG rims. So I got a design for the hood. I'm not gonna reveal that yet. You guys just gonna have to stay tuned. And without further ado, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.